Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Device to TCL 306. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Now from this screen here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Oppo. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select receive on TCL, so CRMS click, and send on Oppo. Following that, choose all of those dots and tap on send. This way you can select all of your files and transfer them. It will take a long time, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose send and click on got it. Now tap on no thanks and close this window, OTCL, and finally we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by choosing the scanning icon on TCL smartphone, tapping on while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key over here and select receive. Now after a little couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!